In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to subscribe to OmeTv VIP Pass. This enhances the user experience by offering key benefits such as an ad-free interface, advanced gender and location filters, and priority access to connections. To do this, simply head to OmeTv. On your profile page, you want to tap onto this VIP option. Now here, simply tap on Unlock with VIP Pass. Now here, it's $8 per month, but you're given a 3-day free trial. This means you will subscribe for free in a period of 3 days. And if the premium experience doesn't work for you, you are free to unsubscribe before the end of 3 days. This is the only way to subscribe for free on OmeTv. And to proceed, just tap on subscribe to access the premium features. Well, that's how easy it is to subscribe for OmeTv VIP Pass for free. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.